Greetings, Jamaica. I am Omar Newell, Junior Shadow Minister for Industry, Investment and Global Logistics, and the PNP's standard bearer for Central St. Mary in the next general election. All I want for Christmas is a modern industrial policy that elevates small and medium-sized enterprises and that promotes innovation that will bring tangible benefits to the lives of our citizens. This season, what we truly need is a commitment to do the work necessary to develop Jamaica into a logistics-driven economy that will leverage our strategic location, make us pretty much the Singapore of the East, and again, bring value to the lives of those who matter, which is you. What we need this Christmas season is a modern innovation policy that amplifies the potential of industries such as our pharmaceutical and nutraceutical industries that can really drive the development, not only the growth, but the development of Jamaica's economy. As we celebrate, let us envision a Jamaica where innovation thrives, businesses prosper, and our people are truly able to live their best lives. Time come for a Merry Christmas and a powerful 2024.